Alright, today is Friday, 11th of December, and today my name is Dylan, and I would like to talk about the three pound related currency pair, or rather I call it the pound trio. And that would be the pound against Australian dollar, the pound against Japanese yen, and pound against US dollar. The three currency pair is currently pointing the same direction. So I just want to touch on that. So let's have a look at the pound against Australian dollar. Right here, I have the daily chart, which is showing the falling trend channel, and we've seen that the price has bounced from the bottom of the channel towards the top. That's it's already pretty much more than halfway through, but if you zoom in the smaller time frame, we are seeing that there's retracement that's happening right here. So we've seen that the price has retraced, came down and got supported as it touches the Fibonacci retracement level of 50%, and that also shows it is a pretty good level somewhere here because there is a previous support right here. Right, so we are expecting the price to continue to appreciate further, especially given the structure right here, as you can see, is pointing towards the top. So what we can do is that we can wait for a further retracement as we zoom the smaller time frame to see if we can go for a buy opportunity towards the top as we move towards the top of the trend of the falling trend channel. Alright, let's have a look at the pound against Japanese yen. This is day chart. So what we've seen here is that there is a ascending triangle that's forming right here. Price has yet to really touch the bottom, slightly a little bit left, but you can see that there's a lot of pullback as it reaches the bottom of the ascending triangle. And by looking at the Fibonacci retracement right here, it is also at the retracement level of 61.8%. So let's just take a look at the 4-hourly chart. Right, so hopefully we can actually see the price came all the way down again, back to the same level at the bottom of the ascending triangles. Fibonacci retracement level 61.8%. That's the price of 183.37 to really look for the buying opportunity. Alright, and if you look at the whole structure, day one chart is how the pound has been appreciated against the Japanese yen for really quite some time. So the trend is still pretty much strong right here. So this is really the key price to go to the rebound, and if it happens to go all the way to the top, that would be a very good 400 to 500 pips of profits, and of course we hope that it can break above, and that would really make a good profit effect. And of course, let's take a look at the third currency pair, the pound against the US dollar. Alright, let's zoom in the day one chart. So what I'm going to do is again going to plot a trend line right here. Let's just put it down, and that gives you a falling trend channel as well, similarly to the pound against Australian dollar. So again, it has rebounded off from the bottom of the falling trend channel, and then as it reaches this level, it came all the way down, almost breaking away from a structure that will allow the price to appreciate further, and then it did happen. So it actually creates a higher high from here with a higher low. So that actually really signals that the price can appreciate a lot further from here. So what we can do right now is to go to 1-hourly chart. Let's plot a Fibonacci retracement in the 1-hourly chart and wait for the price to retrace to a level that we can go for the buy. And right here, what I can see is that the retracement level of 38.2%, or maybe we can just put it all the way down to the bottom here. Alright, so this will makes more sense. As you can see that at the retracement level of 38.2%, the price of 1.5083, we can see that there's very strong support right here previously. Alright, not so much in the past, but at least it shows that there's some good support based on the recent chart. So let's wait for the price to retrace all the way back to the support right here at the retracement level of 30.2%, and we shall wait to see if we can go for the buy. Of course, we can always look at the next level at 61.8% if it doesn't rebound from there. It will still kind of make sense because that could be where we have a rising trend channel that can help to support the price as well. Alright, so that is for the three currency pair that's related to the pound, and of course I would just like to additionally touch on the Australia against the US dollar. So let's take a look at the day one chart. We can see that there is also a ascending triangle that's forming right here, but the difference is that it is coming from the top to the bottom. Right, as if you look at the pound against the the pound against the Japanese yen, it has a ascending triangle as well, but it is moving upwards. So that actually shows that the AUD is kind of depreciating, the pound is kind of appreciating. It gives a very good reason to go for a buy. Sorry, I'm referring to pound against the Australian dollar. Right, but anyway, let's go back to Australia against US dollar. So now we expected the price to fall further since towards the bottom of the ascending triangle. So again, back to the 1 hourly chart, I've plotted a Fibonacci retracement. Back to the 4 hourly chart, we can see that the price has been resisted at the retracement level of 61.8%. That shows some good support and resistance level. A little bit back in the past as well. So that's a pretty good level for the price to fall further, and we can see that it's already beginning to fall. So what we want to do is to find an opportunity to go for the sell, and I'm expecting that the price will begin to bounce off again and make retracement as it touches the running trend line that we can see right here. Alright, so hopefully as it touches this level, as it rebounded off, we can zoom in the smaller time frame, the 1 hourly chart or M15 charts, to look for an opportunity to go for the sell again. Alright, so that's pretty much for today, and that's all for today's analysis session. So hope to see you again next week on the Monday. And of course, next week what we have, the most important thing is the Federal Reserve looking to raise interest rate. Alright, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching.